ask Love, can you please start? Love or Akansha? Love, Akansha?
Yes, sir, we are starting.
Okay. Uh,
So, good evening, everyone. It's immense pride and gratitude that I welcome you all to the valedictory session of the AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored FDP on Digital Construction and Green Design Pathways to Net Zero. With we, the Innovation Cell, NICMAR Delhi-NCR, commend every participant for their commitment over the last 6 days. We honor to have our leadership present to formally conclude this program. I would like to recognize our coordinator, Professor Dr. Rajesh Goyal, Director and Professor NICMAR Delhi NCR, and our co-coordinator, Dr. Nakul Gupta, Associate Professor, Dean of Research and Development, NICMAR Delhi NCR. So, the today's our agenda for the final session is focused and brief as the presentation of the program summary and the achievements which we have achieved, the official remarks and the direction from our leadership, and we will hear the directly from the participants about their FDP experience and with the closing of the final vote of thanks. This FDP was tremendous success reflecting in the quality of engagement. We hosted 156 dedicated participants, including professors from esteemed colleges and industry experts from renowned organizations. Our global reach was substantial, featuring international speakers from the countries like Malaysia, Oman, South Africa. Thank you to our 13 distinguished experts for providing the technical depth and specialized knowledge needed to build these pathways to net zero. To summarize the crucial milestone achieved throughout this FDP, I request our co-coordinator, Dr. Nakul Gupta sir, to kindly present his insight about the program.
okay, so Honorable Director, sir, good evening. So, as the coordinator, it is my sincere pleasure to present a brief summary and celebrate the conclusion of the Atal sponsored AICT Atal sponsored FDP on digital construction and green design pathways to net zero. Sir, we our first day started with two lectures. The first, our speaker was Dr. Morli Jagannathan from IIT Madras. His topic was implementing sustainable construction practices through improved contract management. The second lecture was by Dr. Ankur Gupta. He was general manager from CCEPL. His topic was role of structural audits in sustainable infrastructure. So on second day, we have Dr. Sanjay Mundra, sir, whose topic was sustainability, decarbonization and circular economy in cement and construction. The second lecture on the day two was sustainability in precast construction techniques in MRTS, which was led by Mr. Anil Patel from DMRC. Thirdly, our topic was aging management of existing structures, which was given by Dr. Kapilesh Bhargav. He is scientist in BARC. And our second session was application of BIM for sustainability related goals, which was led by Dr. Sagar Madhav Malsane from NICMAR University, Pune. Our days four started with the topic sustainable urban water and waste management, which was led by Dr. KV Jayakumar. And our second session was structural health monitoring and instrumentation, digital solutions for sustainable infrastructure management, which was led by Mr. Heman Manchandra from AMIL. Sir, our day five, we have our first session. The topic was application of BIM, advanced digital tools in life cycle assessment of structures, which was led by Professor Kumar Pallav from South Africa. Our second topic was sustainable construction building material, building greener future, led by Dr. Vineet Bajaj. He was from Ultratech. Sir, our last day we have three topics, and first topic was geospatial wind risk modeling for green resilient construction, which was led by Dr. Noram Irwin B. Ramli. Our second session was sustainable road construction and low carbonation infrastructure, which was led by Dr. Sitesh Kumar Singh from Oman. So sir, in totality, we have three international speakers this time in our FDP. Sir, our last topic was smart solid waste management in the built environment, which was led by Dr. Naveen BP from NICCR Kolkata. So these were, sir, our sessions which were delivered to various faculty and students from all over the India. We wish them immense success in this mission to build a greener future. Thank you, sir. These were our topics, and today we have completed successfully our 6 days AICT funded FDP. Sir, do you want to say anything?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Nakul Gupta. So, at the outset, my sincere gratitude, congratulations, and welcome to all the participants who successfully, attended this program. That is a faculty development program for 6 day long, which was fully sponsored by AICTE. And my welcome note also, I on that day I just briefed about when we just took this FDP in our consideration and we were applying to AICT. So topic which we choose for this FDP, and we blend the participant speakers in that. In a way, you all have that experience. It was from industry and academia, and from academia also, the top academic institute of the country like IITs, NITTR, NITs. There was the participant speakers, and other than in academia, there was also from industry like BARC, DMRC, etc., email. So these are the, you can understand, all the participants can understand, these are the top organizations from where we tried to bring in the speakers. And it was not limited to the boundaries. Across the boundaries also, we had the speaker from international level from Malaysia, South Africa, and Sultanate of Oman. So I'm very thankful to all that speaker who spare their valuable time to deliver their talk, their expert talks for this faculty development program. And as already mentioned by the coordinator sites, more than 150 participants was there. That shows itself the interest of the participants in the topic, in the agenda of the FDP, that is a digital construction and green design pathways to net zero. And in NICMAR, we are always committed to, disseminate this kind of education at higher level to our all the students, which is helping to the construction industry. And at present time, construction industry is looking forward for the greener construction, for the digital construction. In my inaugural talk also, I briefed about these things. Industry is no more a conventional construction industry. It demands a different type of expertise. And the idea of this FDP is just to, inculcate this all knowledge to our educators, like faculties who will be able to disseminate further this knowledge to the students, and finally the industry can be benefited. The whole idea of this kind of programs is just to send the information down to the line to the actual user or actual workers who are working in the field. And this is first of its kind initiative of NICMAR Delhi NCR, and we are very young Institute of NICMAR Group at Delhi NCR campus, which is at Bahadurgarh, Haryana. And we are looking forward for such kind of more programs in future as well. In next phase, we are planning to have some physical mode kind of program, that is offline program. Again, we are trying to get funding from AICTE for that. And in the month of March 2026, we are holding a big conference, that is International Conference on Urban Built Environment, iCube. That will be the first of its kind in Delhi NCR from NICMAR side. Though from NICMAR Pune, we are holding a flagship conference from last many years, we called as iCRIP. So that is, of course, for the CRIP sector. This conference we have planned for the built urban built environment sector. So already we have good publisher with us, like LNC Lecture Not Civil Engineering by Springer. It is already they gave their consent to be our partner, publishing partner, and few more journals are in process of onboarding. So I will request to all the participants to keep an eye on our website for this conference, and details will be there. It is in the month of March 2026. And I hope this 6-day FDP program make a small difference to your, information and knowledge in the field of digital construction and green design. And definitely it will be further disseminated to the students or the research scholars or whatever you are, dealing with. So with these words, I'm again very, very thankful to all the participants, my co-coordinators, my faculty colleagues, my student coordinators who are always our strength. We rely heavily on our students, of course, always for any kind of activity, any kind of program. They are our backbone. So I'm very thankful to everyone, my IT team, my staff members who just effort restlessly to make this program a grand success. So I consider this program, of course, a successful program in terms of number of participants, number of presence per day in every session. Every day I was monitoring a good amount of participants was attending the program, and it ran flawlessly. What I assume, there was no flaw at all during the program, 6-day program. So that is all thanks to my all team who are working day and night for the this program. So I wish you all very, very successful future endeavors, whatever you are doing in your professional field. And I wish to meet you again, to all of you on another platform. Maybe it is a conference or another FDP. So looking forward to see you again. Thank you very much, everyone. Over to you, Nakul.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. And you are always a driving force for us. And this program might not be possible without your guidance and support. And I must also thank my team, students team. They work day and night for the successful success of this FDP program. So thank you to them also. And I would request our participants, any of the participant who want to say something about this conference.
The Professor Nakul Gupta. This is
Dr.
Dr.
Patnaik.
Binay here. Yes,
Yes, yes.
probably I would love to give some of my views about this FTP program. First of all, I would like to congratulate NICMAR Delhi NCR for this amazing program, because this is not just an FDP program. I've seen many programs, and people also can see many programs. It's just a university or organization or institution specific program, but this is an Atal program. People should understand, and to get a Atal program, how much of effort it takes, probably many people do not understand. So first of all, it's an Atal program, and there is a lot of value to this program, unlike other programs. Okay, so my congratulations to you, Professor Nakul, and our mentor, Professor Rajesh Goyal, for getting this program first of all, and successfully completing this program. And this is not possible without proper vision. So I definitely would like to thank and congratulate Professor Rajesh Goyal sir for his vision. I still remember 5 months back when this thing started. He has given his views and how to move ahead, how to he guided a lot, and so that actually carried over. And I must congratulate you, Dr. Nakul Gupta, for your planning, because for every success there always remains a great planning. And I had the opportunity to visit NICMAR Delhi few days back. I could clearly see you were talking to your students, spending lot of hours, almost 3 to 4 hours with the students, how to make it a success. I mean, that actually worked, today, and it showed the results. So, in summary, if I did say this vision of our senior leadership from Professor Rajesh Goyal sir, your meticulous planning, and definitely the execution from our brilliant students from NICMAR, Delhi NCR, they have done it. I mean, the
Yes.
way sir has also said some time back, flawlessly. I did not see any kind of glitches, during this 6 days. It was meticulously planned and executed. So kudos team for meticulously executing and planning this particular session. And probably I'll take just 2 more minutes. On top of that, if you see the objectives of this program, it is really future driven, and it makes sense for people to attend this program. And the speakers who were chosen for this program is really amazing. If you see I have never seen such a program where the speakers are from a varied background, from different domain, from different areas. I mean, I'm really very very satisfied to have attended this program. So I'll not take much time because time is less, but definitely it has been a great success. And I'm looking forward. I'm from NICMAR Delhi. I'm from NICMAR Hyderabad. I'm looking forward for collaboration with NICMAR Delhi NCR to conduct some such seminars in future. So finally, thank you everyone. Had a great session, great FDP for last 6 days. Thank you, Professor Nakul Gupta. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Patnaik, for your very kind words and appreciating and motivating words. So thank you. You are always, guiding spot to us always. I can see
Thank
few
you,
more
sir.
colleagues from my some old colleague, Dr. Jindal, Bharat Bhushan Jindal from Mata Vaishno Devi University is here. So if he can speak some words, or some of colleague from Nikmar University Pune, so I'll welcome you guys if you would like to add some words.
So, any other feedback from the participants if we have?
Yeah, it was nice actually. It's been after almost 38, 39 years actually. I'm being, I've been, I have come down to the in fact table to really listen to some such in fact seminars or some such programs. It is my privilege to share a few reflections on this outstanding 6-day program on sustainable construction practices. This program has been a deep has been a deeply enriching experience, and I believe it will have a lasting impact on all NICMA students who have endeavored to participate there. One of the biggest strengths of this program was its holistic coverage of the entire construction life cycle. We began with the fundamentals, improved contract management, structural audits, and the growing need for responsible engineering decisions. These sessions establish the foundation for understanding sustainability not as a choice, but as an essential requirement in modern construction. A major highlight was the focus on the core industry challenges we are faced with in our country today. That includes decarbonization, circular economy in materials, aging infrastructure, and shift towards precast technologies. The discussions did not stop at theory. They offered real actionable pathways that future construction leaders, as we have in terms of the participants from NICMAR. The program's digital orientation was particularly impactful. I think it was felt by everyone. The BIM sessions stood out. Dr. Sagar Madhav Masane showed how sustainable goals can be set digitally, while Professor Pallav demonstrated the power of advanced BIM tools in life cycle assessment. These ideas were further strengthened through insights into smart structural health monitoring and digital instrumentation. For NICMA students, these sessions were invaluable because digital proficiency is no longer optional. It is the future of the profession, and therein we have to be abreast and update on that. Another strength of this program was the global exposure. We had, since it's been very nicely brought out, we had three, in fact, global, in fact, speakers. Hearing from experts like Ramli, though in fact it is still in fact in the guideline stage, but it was really worth in fact listening to him. The perspective on geospatial wind risk modeling and Dr. Satish Kumar Singh on sustainable road construction broadened our lens beyond the Indian context. This global perspective will help certainly in fact make our in fact new generation guys. In fact, it will really in fact make them think, innovate, and certainly it will give them an insight to look up and look forward for in fact doing something worthwhile for our country. The discussions on sustainable urban water and waste management, which actually I was later part of it, brought us back to the community impact of our decisions. Dr. Naveen BP's session on smart solid waste management highlighted the importance of designing systems that serve not just projects, but cities and society at large. For the students of NICMAR, the importance of the FDP cannot be overstated. It strengthens their industry-ready competencies, builds their digital skills required for future roles, enhances their global understanding, and prepares them to make responsible, sustainable choices in their careers. This program directly supports national priorities like net zero emissions, resilient infrastructure, and smart urban development. Above all, it enhances employability and opens new avenues in digital construction, green infrastructure, and sustainability consulting. In essence, let me tell you, the program was given all of us, has really given all of us a clear roadmap of where the construction industry is heading and the skills we must carry forward. My sincere appreciation to the director, the faculty, and the speakers, and it goes without saying, definitely the participants. You know, they have been attending classes, and simultaneously they have made it a point that they wanted to actually listen to this, and really it has been very enriching. Congratulations to everyone. At the end of it, I would say, how's the Josh? Josh is always high. So I compliment everyone, and surely enough, I think there are some, in fact, sparks that must have in fact risen among, in fact, all the participants, and including the instructors also. It was really, in fact, wonderful to, in fact, have the instructors also speaking out, and they really, in fact, gave their views on a lot many issues which actually were highlights and which were, in fact, spoken to by the speakers. Thank you so very much, sir. And I think we look forward to such, in fact, sessions. And it will be wonderful for us to have, in fact, these things happening oftenly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Over to Love. I think so. It's 8 p.m. So, and thank you all for being here for 6 days. And thank you, everyone. Love.
So thank you to all our participants for sharing that excellent feedback. We now move to the final act, the formal vote of thanks. On behalf of the Institution Innovation Cell, NICMAR Delhi-NCR, and the entire organizing team, I offer a heartfelt vote of thanks to AICTE and the Atal Academy, our deepest gratitude for sponsoring this FDP. To our professor, Dr. Rajesh Goyal sir, thank you for your leadership in guiding the vision of this comprehensive program. And to the Dr. Nakul Gupta sir, thank you for coordinating the content and execution of these 13 specialized sessions. To our 13 distinguished experts, thank you for providing the technical depth needed to build these pathways to net zero. And the organizing and the working committee, thank you to dedicated staff and the PG students coordinator for their flawless technical execution. And not the last, to the participants, above all, thank you for your commitment. Remember, a minimum of 80% attendance and 70% marks in the final assessment are required to earn your certificate. This concludes the Atal FDP on the digital construction and green designs. We wish you immense success in your mission. Thank you, goodbye, and the FDP is now formally closed. Before leaving us, we request you all to switch on your cameras for the last and the final group photo.
Rajesh sir, are you there? Please wait for 1 minute. I think so. I should call him. He must be there.
So I request you all to please switch on your cameras, all who are available in the meet right now.
Everybody is requested to open their cameras. Dr. Geeta, Shivdarshi Mishra, Dr. Minju.
I'm unable to open my camera.
Is it done, love?
Yes, sir. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Till the sixth session, and hope you all have a great day now ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right.